Lassa Tyres derives its strength from the harmonious partnership between two giant corporations, Bridgestone of Japan and Sabancı Group of Turkey. Bridgestone Corporation has held the crown for largest global tyre producer for 8 consecutive years. Sabancı Holding is Turkey's leading industrial and financial conglomerate, with numerous global partners, each a forerunner in their respective fields. Operating in 16 countries, Sabancı Group companies are all market leaders in growing sectors of Turkey, in banking, insurance, energy, retail and industrials. Powered by the combined forces of these two giants, Brisa is the producer of Lassa Tyres, with many inspiring milestones during its decades-long journey. Located inside the industrial base of Sabancı Group, the production plant is one of the world's largest factories and has a production capacity of 11 million units. A second plant that is being constructed will increase the total production capacity immensely. Lassa Tyres are being produced as masterpieces of applied technology with the collective expertise and know-how of the industry's best workforce. A dedicated education and training centre, Brisa Academy, supports all employees and stakeholders in order to reach their highest potential for top quality products and best quality service. Lassa is the absolute leader of the highly competitive market of Turkey. Lassa tyres are high-quality tyres for drivers who expect the maximum value from their tyre choice, with no compromise in performance and safety, thanks to the global technology behind it. New patterns for a wider range of sizes are constantly being added to its diverse product line, certified by independent testing institutions and winning numerous national and international awards. Lassa Tyres is one of the biggest players in the global market. Lassa International will account for 50% of total Brisa production within the next few years. With full confidence in its product line, Lassa Tyres is constantly looking for new ways to invest in its already strong brand globally. Through strategic marketing, Lassa communicates directly to its global consumer base in very effective ways. FC Barcelona sponsorship is one of the most rewarding brand investments, which has already significantly increased the awareness of Lassa brand worldwide. Lassa Tyres is the emerging global competitor with its dedication to top quality products and best quality service. Lassa works towards creating the best journey ahead for its customers, partners, stakeholders and workforce. And in the process of reaching that goal, Lassa always aims for the best.